Hey friends, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I want to share with you how I make white rice and corned beef. I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is make the rice. Here I'm using this pot that I've had for many years. It is a caldero in Spanish, and I'm not too sure how you translate it to English, but you can find these at Walmart, Target, or your local supermarket. Just look for aluminum pan. So what I'm doing here is I'm just boiling 3 cups of water with about 3 teaspoons of salt and some oil. You can use corn oil, olive oil, or vegetable oil. Doesn't matter. It's just whatever you have on hand. It's just to keep the rice from sticking to the base of the pot. And now I'm using about 3 cups of rice. It's white medium grain rice. I use the Goya brand, but again, you can use whatever brand you prefer. And I usually wait for my water to boil and bubble, but this time around I just decided to throw the rice in because I was a little bit of a rush and I just wanted to get it done. It doesn't matter if the water's boiling or not, because you're going to allow the rice to sit in the water and kind of give it about a good few minutes for it to kind of absorb some of the water that's in the pan. Make sure that the rice is lowered to a number 3 setting on your stove so it doesn't overcook. And you basically leave it covered for about a good 15 minutes before you stir the rice again and make sure that it's cooked all the way. Total cooking time is about 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on how much rice you have. Before I forget, I just want to let you know that I will be having everything posted on my blog, so if you want, you can just check out my description box below, and there you will see everything in a blog post for this recipe. So for the corned beef, I have my husband who volunteered to help. He wanted to learn how to make the corned beef as well, so I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for me to record and show him how to make the corned beef, as well as share with you guys how corned beef is made in our household. So basically, we're just taking all the ingredients that we have, adding it to the water: corned beef, adobo, sazon, sofrito, and some tomato sauce onto our pan. I'm just going to stir everything up, or rather, my husband is going to be stirring everything up and allowing it to cook for a good 15 minutes on medium-low heat. Then from there, we'll lower the heat down to a good simmer, which is about a number 2 level on your stove, and basically letting it cook for about another additional 5 to 10 minutes, making sure not to let the corned beef stick to the bottom of the pan. And there you have it, guys, some super simple white rice and corned beef. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, I would love it if you click subscribe and join this beautiful, fun community. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.